BRICS may equal that game. That is, BRICS may, not yet clear, become a source of that kind of support either for selected other countries in the Middle East, which is already beginning to be the case. For example, Iran, which is why for Israel this is such a problem. Iran has, by being a BRICS member now, but also by dint of a very carefully followed policy, has now built relationships between itself, Russia, its neighbor, and China that you can see. The U.S. attempt to smash Russia is defeated by BRICS. That's that sanction story I told you. And Iran, will see if Israel and Iran now enter into a war, what kind of support Russia and China will give. My guess is it will surprise everybody, just the way the support for Ukraine, for Russia in the Ukraine war has surprised everybody. But for the moment, the Middle East is in a terrible place because they have political independence. They do not have economic dependence, which means they're either terribly poor and dependent on very few resources, or they have oil, which means they're dependent on that. And they're dependent on a global oil system that they cannot control. They're much too small. The only one who can do that a little is Saudi Arabia, and it doesn't want to share that position. The overcoming of the fight between Saudi Arabia and Iran, which was achieved by the Chinese, important hint, that changes the equation because that gives it the chance for a unity. The chance, no guarantee, the chance for a unity across what was a very divisive thing, because, you know, that's not just the unity of two major countries, and it's not just the unity of two major oil producers. It is the unity of Sunni and Shia within the Muslim. That very, 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 very important. That the Chinese did that, and that they understood all that, should be an enormous message to the West.